Hey, welcome back to Bear Squared. On this channel, we simplify educational tech. We cover videos using the Google G Suite and how to teach using the iPad. If you're interested in topics like that, then consider subscribing and turn on notifications. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Google is making less embarrassing situations online through its Google Meet. I'm referring to Google Meet's new green room feature. Let me go ahead and show you how it's done. So if I go to my app grid and I go to Google Meet, before you start a meeting now, so let's just go ahead and start a meeting. You could join a meeting or start a meeting. There's a little checkbox here. It says check your audio and video. So you can go ahead and do a 6-second preview of how you look and how you sound to other participants using this feature. So let me go ahead and click on this. And what you'll see here, it gives you a check for your default mic, your input, your default output, okay, and then your camera. So I could go ahead and change this. So now, right at this moment in time, I don't have anything connected, but if I did have a webcam connected, or if I had a microphone connected, I could go ahead and see how it sounds. This feature also allows you to change your inputs and recommends what is best to use. So here we go. Look, I've got a set of headphones here. I could try to put these headphones on. Okay, let me put these headphones on. And I've also got a set of, I've got a microphone here. So I've got a microphone. If I connect that microphone, let's go ahead and connect this. This is a USB mic. I'm going to go ahead and connect that. So in my mic options here, you see it's changed from the default to my Blue Yeti. So I can go ahead and use that. And the speaker, I'm using the headphones connected to the Blue Yeti. And I'm using the FaceTime camera on my Mac. So if I press on next, so here we go. Once we press start, we'll record a short 6-second preview on how we look and sound. No one else can see this and it's not saved anywhere. This is a preview to check how your meeting settings are before there's any embarrassing situations that occur with your online meeting. So let's go ahead and press start. Say something. So it just wants you to demo and trial. Let me get my headphones on. Can I hear myself? Here we go. We can play back that video. Here you can see that it's giving me a mic check. Boom. Speaker is good. Camera is good. And the connection is good as well. So it's giving you all the information. So if I clicked on this for more information, it will tell you your network strength is strong. For best results, get closer to your router if you need to. So let's go back. We can check the mic as well. It says your mic is connected and working. For best results, make sure that your mic is close to you, and so on and so forth. So each one will give you a small little, little blurb telling you how you can maybe improve your audio settings or the video settings and so on and so forth. So let's play this back then. So I can see myself, I'm playing myself back here. I can see myself how I look, and I can also hear how I sounded through my headphones. So let's go back. If we cross this and we're happy with this now, we're good to go. At the same time, while you're still in this preview screen, you haven't joined the meeting yet, you can actually go ahead and blur out your background. So you can choose either whether to do a soft blur or a stronger blur. Okay. Bear in mind though, that the blurring and the background does have an impact on your video audio quality. It uses a lot more system resources on your computer. And so you may best just want to leave that off. Otherwise you can choose to be floating in the clouds like I am here, the pink background. Okay, or riding with the horses. Where's the horses one gone? For now, I'm just gonna leave that off. I prefer my own background here, and then I can go ahead and start the meeting. So go ahead and give it a go yourself. Google is trying to reduce the amount of embarrassing situations that are occurring with online meetings. If you're still working from home because of the pandemic, make sure to check it out. You can also check out your mic settings, your audio settings, and have less embarrassing situations occur with your online meetings. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, give me a thumbs up. Consider sharing that with a colleague who might not be as tech savvy as you. And also consider subscribing if you're interested in more EdTech videos, particularly the G Suite and teaching with the iPad. Anyway, as always, I'll see you in the next one.